Alright guys, we're back. This is what the stunt spot looks like during the day. We figured we'd go hit the track up. Your battery's dead? I got you right here. $47, buddy. No, it costs more than that. Billy's battery died on his GoPro. Oosh, my leg's cold. Billy on that wheeler, boy. Billy on that wheeler, boy. I got mud flying in my eyes off my tire. So I'm going to take us to the spot where we were jumping the other night and see how far we was actually jumping. We were jumping pretty dang far. This right here is what I've been hitting my head on. Let's see if we can turn her back a little bit. Oh, I'm not that strong, guys. There we go. Now I got some sticky sap on my gloves. But we're going to try to get over this. Oh, my pants legs come up. It's cold. Billy hitting that jump. Yeah, it was way. I thought you was trying to whip it. If I jump that hard, we're gonna be in the trees, guys. Go jump it, I want to get you on camera. So Billy's about to hit that jump so y'all can see what it looks like. We're still recording. Watch this. That's some pretty good air off that little bitty jump. I've ripped the bolt out of my plastic. My plastic's falling off. And my plastic's falling off. I cleared that jump. I cleared that little jump. Little whip, boys. Little whip, boys. See if we hit bust a little no-footer for Billy. It feels so good. See if we can hit this. That's not sketchy. See if Billy can, see if y'all can see that. It's a little track though, boys, for real. It's perfect. It's perfect. My plastic's gonna fall off. It's the only mint one I got left. Let's go behind Billy now. That's so cool. I love jumping, man. Dude, I'm clearing it. That's probably what, 8 foot? So sick! It's so sick! Yes! Yes, Billy! Yes! Man, that looks like some Supercross! That looks like some Supercross for real. Wish I could break this whole damn limb off. Come on, break for me. I'm trying to break it. Yes! Hell, we can jump it. Dude, you were like 3 or 4 foot in the air. Billy sent that shit. Billy sent that shit for real. The only thing that's scary is there's a big concrete wall on the other side of it. It's so smooth too. That's how we're gonna have to build these jumps at my house. Cause all right, here we go. Let's send it for Billy. That freestyle, son. We definitely gotta get us a spring, boys. See if we were busting one off the hill. I can't hear my bike over Billy's. We really need that 4th gear swap. So there's a big ass hill climb over there. We're gonna try it. Feel like a parachute riding down the street. So we're out here gonna try a hill climb. It was muddy. Oh, come out of gear. Come out of gear. I'm passing the house up. Oh, shit. Me and Bill about took each other out. That was good. It was all on video.
All over the place, man.
Then it started, it rutted up. It got real ruddy. That don't sound good. Sounds like a transmission rebuild waiting to happen. Yeah, it wasn't much of a hill climb, but it was so ruddy. And we've had a pretty good bit of rain here lately. I gotta make sure my bike's still running. I can't hear it over that Yoshi pop. That 450 Billy's riding back there. Yeah, boys. What y'all think about today's video? Gotta get a daily donut for you boys. A daily donut, baby. That's a set of titties. Look at this plastic.